Hey friends! Who's hungry? Cheesy broccoli casserole is one side dish that always makes an appearance at my family's holiday gatherings. First, cook 2 10-ounce packages of chopped broccoli and 1 cup of white rice according to package directions and set aside. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add half a cup of diced onion and saute the onion until it's tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate saucepan, combine 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, half a cup of evaporated milk, and 1 16-ounce package of Velveeta cheese. Heat the ingredients over medium heat until the Velveeta is melted and the sauce is smooth. Stir together the onion, broccoli, rice, and cheese sauce until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Then season with salt and pepper. Spread the broccoli mixture into an even layer on the bottom of a greased 9 by 13 by 2 inch casserole dish. Top the casserole with 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Then bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes until the casserole is bubbly and the cheese is melted.